Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games Launcher not opening. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it. In task manager you just need to search for Epic. If you have any background processes running related to Epic Games, just right click on it and select end task. After that just close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type run, click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage app data percentage again, click on OK to open up. You just need to go back to app data, double click on the local. You just need to find Epic Games Launcher, double click on it. You just need to double click on the saved folder, right click on the web cache and select delete it. And now you can open Epic Games Launcher and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2 is to reinstall Epic Games Launcher. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by to category and select uninstall a program. In here find Epic Games Launcher, just right click on it and select uninstall. After getting uninstalled done, just need to close stuff here and check my video description for the download link. Select the download option and download the Epic Games Launcher. After the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.